Searching for scientific evidence can be slow and inefficient. What if you could ask a question and instantly get evidence-based answers with references? In this video, I'll show you how OpenEvidence works. Traditional tools like PubMed are powerful, but they rely heavily on keyword-based searches. This often leads to long screening times and uncertainty about whether you're seeing the best available evidence. OpenEvidence is an AI-powered platform designed to retrieve and summarize scientific and medical evidence. Instead of searching with keywords, you ask structured questions and get answers supported by references. As an example, let's query about what is the efficacy of SGLT2 inhibitors in type 2 diabetes. Here, instead of multiple search results, we get a structured answer. Importantly, the platform provides references linked to the statements. This allows you to quickly verify the source and export the original studies. This is particularly useful in pharmaceutical research, where understanding evidence across multiple trials is essential. However, there are limitations. Access may be restricted depending on your professional background, and like any AI tool, results should always be critically evaluated. You should still review the original studies and access their quality. Overall, open evidence can significantly speed up the initial phase of literature review. Think of it as a complement to PubMed, not a replacement. If you want more tools to improve your scientific workflow, consider subscribing to Bioinfo.